Well, it's unusual for judges to be the ones being judged. Now we've learned a local judge will not fight a rare recommendation that he be suspended. Target 8 has been following the case of Ottawa County District Court Judge Kenneth Post since a courtroom incident in 2011. 24 Hour News 8's Joe LaFergie is live at the Hudsonville Courthouse where Post presides. Joe?
Hi, Marley. Judge Post will remain on the bench here in Hudsonville until the Supreme Court can review the Judicial Tenure Commission's findings. The attorney representing Judge Post told me today that while he believes the 30-day suspension was a bit heavy-handed, the judge just wants to move on. Last month, the Michigan Judicial Tenure Commission recommended the suspension for holding an attorney in contempt. He's willing to live with it, Post's attorney Doug Van Essen told 24 Hour News 8 it's time to move forward. Post ordered attorney Scott Millard held in contempt after Millard told his client not to answer Judge Post's questioning on whether the client was using illegal drugs. Millard said he was protecting his client's rights against self-incrimination. Van Essen said it was a misunderstanding between the judge and the young lawyer. He said Judge Post was trying to determine when Millard's client last used drugs so he could schedule a drug test after the drugs left the defendant's system. Instead, Millard told his client not to answer the question. Post became sarcastic and ordered the young lawyer jailed. While he was taken into custody, Millard was released hours later after an Ottawa County Circuit judge overruled Post. During February's hearing by the JTC, Judge Post admitted his sarcasm during the December 2011 case was inappropriate. Van Essen believes a shorter suspension was in order, but says the judge has already stated his position on the record with the JTC. The Supreme Court will review the JTC's hearing, including Post's statements. Now, justices could accept, reduce, or increase Post punishment based on the ruling out of Detroit and the JTC. It's not clear when the Supreme Court will act. Live in Hudsonville, Joe LaFergie, 24 Hour News 8.